Well, now we solve this third question. Go. If x is modulus is less than 1, then the scenario is 2. Scenario is 2. 1 plus x whole to the power minus n minus half. That's equal to factorial n. And factorial n or 1 minus x whole to the power r or minus n. So we have to thinking is the formula 1 minus nx plus n into n minus 1 by factorial 2 into x square plus n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 divided by factorial 3 into x cube plus up to dot is the advanced now. So 1 plus x whole to the power minus n is the binomial expansion of formula, and this formula is the x is modulus is 1 is less than x is modulus. Okay, now this expansion of earth turn. So you are equal to n minus 1 n minus 2 up to dot n minus r plus 1. Sorry, minus 1 divided by factorial r. So that's equal to minus half minus 1 to the power r and 3 by 2 and 5 divided 2 up to dot half plus r minus 1 divided by factorial r. All negative sign are common, then minus 1 to the power r and half 3 by 2 5 by 2 half 3 by 2 5 by 2 and half minus r minus 1. So then this is the ur. That's why minus r minus 1 to the power r, and 1, 3, 5 up to dot 2r minus 1 by 2 to the power r factorial r, 2 to the power r factorial r. So and this is the u r equal to minus 1 to the power r, 1, 3, 5 dot twice r minus 1 by 2 to the power r factorial r, and u r plus 1 and u r plus 1, because you have to find out the modulus and u r. So u r plus 1 equal to u r plus 1 equal to minus 1 to the power r minus 1 and 1, 3, 5 1, 3, 5 1, 3, 5 dot 2r minus 3 divided by factorial r into factorial r into x to the power r minus 1 factorial r এখানেও r minus 1. Okay, this is the ur plus 1 and this is the ur. So and ratio of the both terms, well, now u r plus 1 divided by ur plus 1 divided by ur, and ur plus 1 equal to ur plus 1 divided by ur. That's why r minus half divided by factorial শুধু r is a calculation. This the well is r. Now that's why minus 1 minus 1 by 2r into x. So is the ratio of two terms, ur plus 1 and ur is the ratio of two terms. So well, limit x tends to limit r tends to infinity, ur plus 1 divided by ur equal to minus limit r tends to infinity 1 minus 1 by 2r into x, 2r into x. That's why minus x is less than 1. So we have to prove that x modulus is less than 1. Dear Lambert, examination dharatikte we have to discussion is minus x, is a minus x. That's why the above series is convergent. The above series is convergence, is the convergence because this series is the any values. This series is the any values 1 minus 0 into x. That's why is minus x is a result. So if x is modulus is less than 1, then the above scenario of two function is convergence. Whose function is convergence, then the above values. These values are minimum minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and plus 5 is the any values. These the any values. Then obviously then you have to clear this the system why this function are convergence. Why these functions are convergence means these functions are any values. These functions are any values. Then the values is the 1 minus 1 by 12. Then r is the infinity, so is equal to minus x. That's why you have to clear this function. This function is obviously convergence. Well, thank you so much and thanks everybody and thanks most of the students well being.